Today, we are healing within the collective sisterhood, the feelings of jealousy towards another woman. We are feeling and reaching deep within ourselves, within the collective consciousness, and within each other. That little trigger, that little feeling when we see another female shining, and we feel that seeing another female shining or living her best life somehow takes something away from us. And right now, we're gathering up all those feelings on this full moon. Feelings of seeing the beauty or the happiness of another female, whether it's online or in person, and somehow feeling that that takes away from our own beauty or our own happiness and makes us less than. Feelings of not being good enough that come up when we see another female living their best life. Feelings of inadequacy or that we don't even deserve to exist when we're scrolling or out seeing another female getting treated like a princess. Any of these feelings that are living inside of us as individuals and as a collective are now being transmuted into a new way of feeling. A way of feeling that when you see another woman shining, that instead of having that triggering jealous feeling, you can now have the feeling of, wow, I'm inspired. If she can do that, I know it's possible for me too. Turning on the codes of sisterhood. Turning on the codes of creativity. Turning on the codes of celebrating self-love and individuality. Allowing feelings of jealousy to transform and transmute into feelings of belief in ourselves. For any time that we see another woman living her best life, we know that it is also possible for us. Taking any of a lack mindset that says there's not enough to go around. Taking all of that lack mindset, transmuting and alchemizing that into abundance, allowing the codes of abundance mindset to be turned on. And anytime we see another woman smiling and being treated like a queen and living in her full glory, that it activates us even deeper to know that just by witnessing that it is possible for me too. For me, for we. The time is now to alchemize ill feelings towards other females into unconditional love, inspiration, happiness, sisterhood. And so mote it be. So mote it be. And so it is. And so it is. And so it is.